Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today we're gonna fix this or install a new the intake rubber housing, because the old one is ripped. There's a crack on the line right here. So this one right here, I'm not sure it's a common problem. I'm not sure why it does this. But anyway, we need to remove this cover first and remove those two of the screws for the fastener, and remove this cable, and we need to remove the house this clamp too. Can you hold it for me? Right here. Just lift it up. It's kind of hot. These are for the rubber grommet. Why is it red? We need to remove this cable out of the way. Okay. There's another screw right there. Remove this. Well, you could remove the whole housing on the top too if you want. Probably easier. Let me unclamp this real quick. Can you hold this? There's another one right there. Pull forward. You think your guy changed the filter?
No.
Mess it up or what? Huh? No, right?
No, the guy just open the filter. Let me see it. I think so.
That's it, right? This one is gonna be a little bit harder to take it out. Yeah, I'm gonna loosen up the fastener first. Ooh, hot.
Okay, we got that. Right.
Today is hot.
Ready? Okay. Yeah, I show you.
See if we could take it out. There you go. Whoa, hot.
Hot, man.
So this one's kind of tricky. So this ain't gonna take it out while I try to yank this out. Wait. Alright, so we finally had to remove this metal clamp that's going to this intake, because it was keep on hitting this tube, or the bottom tube. So we finally got it out. In case you pull it too hard, this thing is gonna get loose. It came out, so we gotta put it back together. I'm gonna push more in. So the parts is about $48.29. Got a friend's hookup price. This is the part number, just in case. And now we're gonna transfer all the metal clamps into this new one. Try not to get the dirt inside there. They try to match it. Make sure the screw is facing upward. There's a little notch right here. Oh shoot. So this thing goes right here. You need to remove the screw all the way out in order to take out the whole thing. It's pretty long right here. Okay. Goes in like that. This thing goes on top. You want to put some soapy water so you can go in faster. This is soapy water. So there's some soapy water. I'm gonna transfer this. Which one? Yeah. On the dust. Oh, there you go. It's seeing all the wear now. Okay. Make sure this match that line of the notch right there. Okay. Put the wire back.
Okay, this one loose in depth. Look at.
Now, hold on, I gotta fix that later.
Okay.
Let's tie this one close. Oh shoot, it came out?
Yeah, come out. That's why I said.
Oh shoot. Okay, it should be easy to put it back in. Clamp it correctly. Okay, right there. Oh, it's so dark. Right here. Okay. Yeah, closer. Yeah, so it's in there very tight right now. Yeah, we're gonna work on this one. Okay. The air box is dirty. I just clean it a little bit, then just get whatever the stuff out there. So eventually it was sucking all the dirty air, and eventually it might mess up the engine. So I'm not sure the mechanic take out the filter. If they yank it up high, then might mess up the tube. That's why I like to service my car myself. It's a 2018 Honda Pilot, and this is ours 2017. Make sure you match the notch right there. Right there. Make sure the bottom is sit in correctly. Go in angle. Don't forget about your mass airflow sensor connector. I'm going to tighten it up. And then now the wire back in. Okay. And there you have it. This is how you install this rubber intake hose in case yours is ripped or broken. Okay. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in your comments below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.